Good morning, one and all. You are back with Farrier Life with me, Sam Marlowe. Right, we are on our way to see Em. I haven't seen Em in about 6 months, so I'm going to give her a little bit of stick on how long it's been between trimmings. But I can't actually remember the pony's name because it's been so long. So I'll have to ask her when I get there. But right, let's skip to the video and see what we got. This is Star, everybody. I haven't seen him in about 6 months. And the feet were definitely a bit of a state. But less of me, let's get on with the trim. No. Let Star have them all. You know what Star gets like.
Do you want me to get them out? How many? 3. Oh, it's like 6.
Good Star. Ugh. Did you have a nice summer? Summer was amazing. I can't complain. Jesus, look how long these feet are. I told you what, if it would have rained any heavier and it would have flooded, this all sort of swum away. There are flippers like this. Da, da, da. I guess that's debatable. I guess that all depends on what you class as bad. They're not Elle's feet, so they're not turning up, so I guess they're alright. Just give this frog a little bit of a spruce up. Just want to leave most of the sole in there because this horse just wanders around the field, doesn't do much. There you go, guess one. Guess one.
Where is it?
In the packet, aren't they?
Shut up.
One for me, one for you. Whoa, whoa, God, you took my fingers off there. Almond Star. Almond Star. Once you trimmed you today, mate, we won't have to see you till next year. What's that? Nobody's ever too busy. You just got to prioritise. Whoop, 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 Pedro. Pedro pony. So how comes they've moved fields then? Did you get kicked off that other one? Woo. I've got a little bit of seedy toe in there. Oh, pardon you. Was that you? Huh? No, thought you said you was a lady.
Dad, wait, you're going to have ginger nuts.
Come on, Star. Last one. Last one.
All gone now, Star. All gone.
Da-da-da.
No, you put it in your pocket. It's empty, look.
You're saving them for yourself, aren't you?
It's empty. There's none left. Don't eat the plastic.
Let's see the toe in there as well. Ooh, hey, hey, hey. It's because you run out of nuts.
Up. That is your last one, baby. This one. Good boy.
Put the bag under his nose. Rustle the bag under his nose. He's thinking the same, isn't it? It's too early for wheelies. Maybe a Friday afternoon, but not a Monday morning. Could you pass my cutters, please? What's that? What's that? Well, you ain't controlling him, are you? You're making him do that. Thought you knew how to control your pony. So I'll just cut out your seedy toe. Yeah. So ideally, you need to keep it clean. Spray it with iodine. But obviously I know that's not going to happen.
No, I bloody bought iodine and I was putting iodine on his seedy toe.